Top 10 scalability in Amapiano comprises of 10 musicians that are hot in the game right now. These are the top artists in the game in terms of reach. Reach is the measurement of the size of the audience that can stream musicians' work in the first 24 hours of release. When we talk about scalability, we refer to a property or body of work that fluctuates in sales by increasing, decreasing, or being stable. DJ Maphorisa is currently a top act in Amapiano scene. His catalog comprises of Iwishi Wishi, Dibolekeni, A to Z Yashimoto, Manzende, Asibe Happy, Abalele, Kuze, and Uya Papaman, Uyingingaman. That is a massive catalog filled with hits. Mad respect to Razo, keep us grooving. With 3.8 million in reach, identifying the amount of streams the artist can get in the first 24 hours of release, his most streamed song currently is Imithandazo, with over 37 million streams as a featured artist. Featuring him on that song came with 3.8 million short streams. In the top 10 scalability, we have DJ Maphorisa coming at number 1 with 3.8 million in reach, Captain the Small at number 2 with 2.7 million, Thala ICU at 3 with 2.5 million, Tito M at number 4 with 2.3 million, Mellow and Sleazy at number 5 with 1.9 million, Calvin Mom at number 6 with 1.9 million, Scott Mapuma at number 7 with 1.8 million, Angoba Foods at number 8 with 1.7 million, Mr. Pilato comes at number 9 with 1.7 million, and Limeke comes at number 10 with 1.5 million. Those are the top 10 scalability in Amapiano. To get more on this type of content, you can subscribe, comment, like, and share, and be with the boy on this journey. And let's have fun, man. Let's have fun. Let's just dive deep into this beauty of music and take this genre to a whole new level, bro.